we've got power. Woo! Oh. Does it automatically shut off then?
How long is that gonna go for?
I don't know, put your finger on it so I can put the wheels on. Are you ready? Yeah. We going? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. She's gonna go down all the way now. Okay. Pardon my snot clearing. All right. Should we see if it works? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it up?
Yep.
Is it?
Yeah, pretty close.
Oh, you go all the way. Right there. So we're good? It's up?
Yeah. It's too high.
Too high?
Yeah. Whoa. No.
That's too low?
I don't know, you check it out.
Well, that's about 55 pounds. That ain't too bad, is it?
She kind of dumped pretty good. Still in the stops at 20. Try 30.
That's 40. There's
Oh.
30.
Well,
40.
40, we're still in the stops.
Okay, it seems like it's got more suspension travel than my truck still.
Yeah, well, where were we at on ride height at about, I suppose?
Here's 60.
That's 60?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
How's that look, Riley?
It rides good too. Like it's bouncing.
Yeah, looks all right. Oh, you could go up even a little more to ride height, huh? Oh, right there. No, no, no.
Up. Approaching 80.
Oh, whoop, right there. I'd say that was probably just above where it was, huh? What's that at?
70.
70? Yeah, that's plenty high. Don't you think? Yeah. A little stiff.
Oh, it goes from 60 to 80 when you jump on it.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's compressing the air.
Still, it's funny. Ready for it to jump?
Not all the way, just take her, that's too high.
That is going to be one side.
It'll be crooked.
But it's twin I-beam, so like one will be cambered it out, and one will be cambered in.
Yeah, it'll go crooked, yeah, for sure.
That's cool. What do you want me to do?
Drop her down to like a little bit more.
Drop it down?
Yeah, just a little bit, a little more.
More?
Yeah, right about there. What's that at?
That's like 60.
Yeah, so if we're between 50 and 60, I think we're probably good to go down the road, huh? Yeah. I don't know.
Right there on the dot.
I don't know what anybody else runs on these going down the road, but I don't think that seems unreasonable. Doesn't
No, it seems fine.
seem too stiff, does it?
No, it seems perfect. It's got way more travel than my truck.
It's got like an inch.
Feels like more.
Well, the stops actually have quite a bit of squish to them. Well, yeah, try dropping just one side, see what happens. Three-wheeling. Looks like you're chunky. Heck yeah.
Sweet.
That's a good job done, huh? Sick. Well, that's pretty cool, huh? So I know I kind of lied in the last video. I said we'd have all this crap done before this video, and we'd be doing the windshield. But life's busy, man. I didn't get the extra time to get all that done off camera, so we did her today. Hopefully you enjoyed the nice little time lapse. And I don't know if we need to run down anything. It's pretty straightforward. I'm probably guessing like quite a few of our viewers know how to wire a relay. It comes with directions. So they're all mechanical switches. The relay it comes with a diagram. You just need a constant power in, ground, and then you need 12 volts keyed to feed it. And then the airbag lines, they just run.
Get a light.
Yeah.
Here's that tank. Compressor.
Yeah, there was a hole through the frame rail there. We just shot the lines and whatnot through there. There's one feed from the compressor up, and then that tees to the paddle switches, and then from the paddle switches it comes out and tees into the gauge so that you know what pressure you're at. And then left and right, just go to the left and right. And that turned out pretty slick. It worked pretty well. We used a plasma cutter to open up the front. I'll have to, before this thing gets driven down the road a ton, I need to get some clips just to hold the line so it doesn't sit there and rub against something and cut a hole in it in a couple of spots. But I didn't have tees. Those were scrounged from the parts bin. So I didn't, it didn't come with them, and I didn't buy any, so I was lucky to find two. They don't match, but they work, so whatever. Right? Yeah, we better wrap it up, but yeah, that concludes our little program. Next week, Riley's gonna be gone, so I think we're gonna actually go on the mini bike, one more episode of a mini bike to put in a hot rod clutch. The clutch was slipping at Torque Fest.
Still is.
Yeah, well, yeah.
It's getting worse.
Can't handle the horsepower, so we spent some of the Capital One rewards on a beefy bad boy clutch, and it's going to be the best clutch that anybody's ever had. It's going to allow us to put the power to the back wheel, thus by increasing the speed of the unit. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be fun. I know I had fun today. Did you?
Yeah, it's a great time.
Hopefully somebody learned something. If you didn't, hopefully you had fun. And if you didn't, fuck you! Come back next time. You'll probably learn something or have fun next time.
Yeah, and if you haven't yet, hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends. We appreciate y'all tuning in. I think that wraps us up for this week, though. So I'll catch you in a couple weeks.
I'll see you next week.
Yeah.